Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7. To perform a hard reset, you need to press play pause button and alt button at the top of your speaker at the same time until your speaker is going to turn off. So press and hold on it. Here we go. Firstly, we need to remove the speaker from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press one time at the power button. After a factory reset, the speaker enters prank mode automatically, so we don't need to tap at the Bluetooth button. We just tap on it at the device list and we reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!